Creating categories for our blog posts. You'll notice on our blog page we have select category, but we have no categories set up for this blog post. Let's create two categories now. I've cloned these two blog posts. By clicking down here and cloning, you can clone them to create new ones quickly, or you can create a new blog post. Let's set up a category. To add a blog post to a category, click the blog post. Where it says blog post here, go down to category and type in your new category. Then simply hit enter. This will create the category for you. You can have multiple categories by typing again and hitting enter. If you want to add an existing post to the new category, you can go back to the blog post after you've updated. Go to the new blog post and simply now select that blog post category and click update. Or create a new one by deleting this out of this category and typing in a new one. Then click update. Let's see our front page now. If I refresh this, we now have the ability to select the categories inside the page. And that is how we can create new categories inside of Zenler.